Today's math lesson, lesson 16, is on using a distributive property as a strategy to find multiplication facts. We're going to do number 3 from the homework. It's an array for 9 times 4. And the distributive property says when you take 9 times 4 and you break it up or distribute, 5 times 4 and 4 times 4. So 5 times 4 is 20, 4 times 4 is 16. Add those two together because this is what the distributive property says right here. You add the two answers together, the 20 and the 16 here. When you add those together, you get 36. So we use those two smaller problems to get the answer to the bigger problem, 9 times 4. So when you're explaining it in your own words, you want to say words like the distribute. I used the distributive property to break up. I use the distributive property to break up or to break down 9 times 4 into two smaller pieces. And those smaller pieces were 5 times 4 and 4 times 4. And then I use the answers to those two smaller problems to add up and to get that one bigger answer, 36. So that's kind of how, and as you can see here, the array is also distributed or broken up into 5 times 4 and 4 times 4. So those are the two pieces of the array as well.